Once you're able to do your bubbles and relax here, it's shallow, you need to learn how to float. The step number 2 is learn how to float or learn how to fly in the water like a bird. In the water, you are floating. A lot of people believe they're gonna drop down, touch the ground, and they're scared to feel. Then if they don't touch anything, they're just gonna drown, which is not the case. If you relax, you just float on the surface. Your body gonna float. So to feel that, you need to relax. This is the key point. To learn how to float, you need to relax and start where it's very easy for you. Here, no stress. I can touch the bottom. So I'm gonna start here and learn how to practice how to float. I'm on the stairs and I can look in the water blowing my bubbles. The only little difference is you're gonna push with your feet to glide on the surface and to reach a point where I can just feel comfortable because I can grab it. So I'm here, I blow my bubble 5 seconds. I play my music with my mouth. And then I will push with my legs to try to glide on the surface once I'm in the water. Wow, I can fly like a bird. I can fly like Superman, like a bird, like an airplane, whatever you want to believe, but you will not fly. Put your feet on the surface on the wall here. Get ready, blow your bubbles, and just let yourself fly away and catch something just nearby, just to feel. Then when you don't touch anything, you're not going down. Just feel it. It's simple. If you are too afraid to do it here, learn how to do it where it's super shallow. Here is super shallow. My hand can touch the ground, see? So I will practice here. Just feel it where you feel great, okay? One more time, it's simple here. You just touch the ground all the time, look down, push slowly, and glide on the surface. Wow, no need to go fast. To practice this skill, try to go slowly and try to go easy. I'm going to do it here where it's easier. I'm going this way. Okay. Edgar, bouge. And I go there. Very good. I do one more time. Easy. You can glide with your hand on the front, or you can glide with your hand open like a bird. If I open my hand, I just feel my body gonna float. So my hands are open, my legs are relaxed, I just float, and I don't go down. Look. Slowly and easy. If you stress, if you move fast, you need to practice until you can go slowly. You can even do it if you don't move at all. Okay? I'm not going down, I'm floating, I'm flying. Because I feel it, I can go where it's a bit deeper now. This skill I can practice here. Now I'm gonna practice the same skill where the pool is deeper, because I know I can control, I know I can blow my bubbles 5 seconds, and I know that everything is alright because I go slowly, I go easy, and I'm gonna fly from here to here about 2 meters only. Okay? No need to move your hand, no need to kick, no need to do stress movement, just fly. Okay? If you can do it for 5 seconds, you can fly very far away. From here to here, if I push a little bit, I will fly 3-4 meters per hour. Big breath, blow bubbles, push and glide on the surface. Okay? No fast movement, slowly and easy. That's the key point. So when you can do that, you learn how to float, you learn how to fly 5 seconds by pushing or by staying underwater. Okay? But that's simple. This is the step number 2. learn how to fly like a bird.